approached by the Port of Stockholm that they had to do something about the quay here because of the water and because of the foundation of the quay that needed to be refurbished. So it became quite a large project where at the start we were not supposed to do anything about the buildings, the existing buildings. But as it turned out, it was necessary. It was important for us as well to make them more like sculptures maybe on the quay rather than buildings, because otherwise it would be just another layer of building in front of this important view. So we thought that it would be something that would be quite expressive, standing up close, but if you're standing on the other side, they would rather melt in. The letters that you see and the arrows we're standing here is an art piece, and it's actually not accurately, but it's pointing towards different places in Stockholm as a sort of a nice thing to point out for tourists and the public using the staircase. No, we were discussing different materials from the start, but what happened was that we realized that if we wanted these buildings to sort of melt into the background, we were looking at what was happening back here, and as you can see, there is both plaster and stone, which is sort of the main materials for these buildings. But looking at the roofs and the canopies and all the detailing, that is copper or brass. So we thought that if we wanted to belong into that family, rather than the stone and the plaster family, we would go along with that material. Actually, I think it was the key to sort of solve the material issue in this project.
Our international architect panel said this powerful group of buildings along Stockholm's waterfront is truly special and defies the mundane ferry terminal building topology. So, I am delighted to announce the commended project in the European Copper in Architecture Awards 2015 is Stockholm Ferry Terminal Buildings by Marge Arkitekter.